90 minutes couldn't separate them, so they'll have to battle it out for another 30 minutes. This is Lewandowski. That's good link-up play. Oh, great save. He clears the ball to safety. What an opportunity! Stunning save there. He's put some power behind it. An outstanding header. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. It's Messi with the ball. Here's Koulibaly. That's nicely played. Good ball. So close. The ball played back. Confident pass. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Oh, and they've drawn level. This is Lewandowski. Oh, it's a clear chance. Keeper glad to see that one go wide. And he plays the ball back. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Lovely passing here. Well timed then. Great defending. That's it for now. It's half-time. Off we go then. The managers have had a chance to have a word with their players, and it's still anyone's game. Thrown out by the goalkeeper. It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. Salah. Mbappe. Some safe passing from this team. Good distribution. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. My guess is this game has more goals, and we may see one very soon. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. He steps up to steal the ball. They're moving the ball about so well. He got a good hand behind that. Goalkeeper rolls it out. The match is nearing its end. Time for one last goal. And he scored! Let's see what difference the change makes. Let's see how this sub changes things. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. No doubt at all, it's a penalty. Oh, he'll have to watch himself. He's received a booking. The goalie comes out on top. Surely now! Keeper glad to see that one go wide. Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it. Leao with the ball. That's good link-up play. Easy save. They're running out of chances. And there's the final whistle. It ends 2-1 today.